Okay, so sometimes the preposition is actually an adverb. And the way that you're going to know is if it does not have an object. Remember, an object is the word that's a noun that comes right after your preposition. So in this one we have behind and then the shelves. So behind the shelves is our prepositional phrase. In this sentence, he was lagging behind when we climbed the hill. Behind, if you can see, it doesn't have a noun to follow it. So if it has no noun to follow it, then we know that it's an adverb, not a preposition. Like this one, the plane soared above the clouds. Above the clouds is our prepositional phrase. We watched them flying above yesterday. Above does not have a noun behind it. Yesterday is actually, if you can remember, answers the question when. Okay, so this is an adverb. We stood before the gorilla's cage. Before the gorilla's cage. Okay, that's a prepositional phrase. We had never seen a gorilla before. Before is answering the question when. So let's go ahead and do Think A. Identify the underlined word by writing preposition or adverb on the blank. If the word is a preposition, circle the object. Okay, so let's look at it. The painting fell down when the nail came out of the wall. Down. What's the next word? When. Is that an object? No, remember an object has to be a noun. So that would make this an adverb. We're going to abbreviate. Number 2, he looked down the street to make sure no one was coming. Okay, so he looked down the street. Oh, that's an object. That's a noun. So that makes this a preposition. We'll put prep on the line. Number 3, the rickety old plane barely made it over the power lines at the end of the runway. Over the power lines. Lines is our object. That makes this a preposition. Turn that bucket over and sit on it. Over. Oh, no, that's not a noun. So that means that this is a adverb. It has no object. Several motorcycles were parked inside the garage. Inside the garage. This is our object, which makes this a preposition. It's very warm inside, but it's freezing out here. Inside, oh, nope, but is not a noun, so that makes this an adverb.